want to wait till the sun's out if I can. Very pretty though. Oh my gosh. So hopefully I can be here when the sun is shining. That would be nice. Deer, yes. Hunters welcome. I can see why this place would do really well. I was a little worried about this one because it's on the beach. And you never know if it's going to be like on the beach. Even though it's a lake. But I kind of was twitching because I used to staying at some of them beaches on the, staying at the hotels around the beach, and it's kind of, it can be sketchy. See, and said that's what I saw. It was really cute. Witches welcome. It's such a huge deal for Witches Weekend. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, it's just adorable. But Houghton Lake is the only place that they have it 2 weekends in October for Witches Weekends. It's pretty cool. So this is the hotel. Let's see if we can back out a little bit so you can see it. There you go. It's a cute little place, and just down there you can see is the lake. Let's see if we can zoom in a little bit. We'll get down on the water itself here a little later. But Lucian was right, it got chilly. So here we go. So Beachfront Hotel in Houghton Lake. Coming out of the elevators at the hotel. Little desk. But isn't that pretty? I thought it was really pretty. The chandelier. And that's where we got our breakfast. It's a cute little hotel. It's very pretty. Very pretty. The problem for me is when I come into a hotel and I can smell the cleaning stuff. It would smell nice to most people, but for me, it's not good. Okay, so we're staying in 419. Here we go. Hey there, everybody. I thought I'd show you what one of the hotels looks like in Houghton Lake, Michigan. This is a king. And I want to say it's a suite, but I mean, dang, look at that swirly tub. Ooh. And it's wild because it's got like doors in between. Let me turn the light on here on this side so when I go around, I'll show it to you. Anyway, I came up here for the Witches Weekend. And something fun to do. But look, see, this is your tub, and then you can see it through and get to it, just climbing over into the bedroom. Isn't that cool? And they do have a shower, so that's nice. Not just the tub, it's a little ginchy. They give you some shampoo and cream rinse and shower gel. It's really nice. Big bottle, I've never seen that before. So this is a 4-story hotel. She made a point of telling me that. Hi, it's me. and so I thought, okay, and I'm on the 4th floor. So it's very nice. Very nice. So I came up here early so that I could take a look around at everything. Typical nice. I don't think I have a view out to the lake. No, I've got a parking lot, but that's okay. But yeah, you can actually get to the lake, and they have a beach, so I'm going to check that out probably tomorrow. Doesn't that sound awesome? So Witches Weekend's gonna be fun. We're doing a pub crawl tomorrow night. Everybody's dressed as witches. It's gonna be pretty wild and crazy, so I'll see what I can do about getting some footage in so that we can have some fun. But I probably won't go in the tub. I tend not to go in the tubs in hotels. Like if you look at that jet, it don't look so good. Could be just the shadow, but I don't know. I'm kind of weird about being in a tub that's not my own. So I probably won't do that. I don't know. And I'm all by myself, so nobody to share with this time. Boo-hoo. But that's okay. It looks pretty cool. So Houghton Lake Beachfront Hotel. This is rated pretty high up, and I can see it. It looks pretty nice. I would say it's like close to a Hilton Holiday Inn-ish kind of feel. Not bad. Okay, time to go get the luggage. We'll be back. Okay, I just had to come back and add this because I thought this was funny. Look, Tina. We got USB. I wanted to add that because I thought that was funny. We had stayed in the Flamingo Hotel on the Vegas Strip, and the room must have been one of the older rooms, and it didn't have any USBs, and it had hardly any outlets. So here it is. This feels like this is an older hotel, I would think, and we had that. And we even have a nice fridge, look, and a microwave. That's cool. I wonder if this is, yeah, a nice freezer. Very nice. I think that's more than what we had at the Flamingo. That's sad. That's very sad. Oh my. I had to put that out there. That was funny. I'll show you guys the rest of the hotel tomorrow. It's really pretty. It's very, very nice. Okay. Okay, so if I was going to nitpick at this hotel, everything is really, really nice. I don't like leaving bad reviews. This is a kind of cool thing where you have the door, you know, you can see from the hot tub into the bedroom. That's pretty cool. I like that. There's no lid on the toilet. I don't like that. I'd rather have a nice lid. If you do a stinky number 2, you're gonna want to put the lid down, you know. I know you got spritzy spray, but, and then it looks like there's a little bit of a stain on it. But one thing about the shower, I get you don't want to have a big shower because you got the big tub. The skinny shower is okay. The problem is it looks nice and clean and everything in there, no problems, until you get in there and you turn it around and there's mold in the crack. So that needs to be scraped out and cleaned and sealed better. And they had it over here as well a little bit. You can see it. And then down below, let me see if I can take you around this way. You can see that. It's just that little, you know, little bit of thing. You know, it should be clean. You shouldn't see that kind of stuff. You can see it when you come around here a little bit in there. That just really needs to be clean. Like I said, I really, not to whirl you guys around, hate to be a stickler with that kind of stuff, but like even in the tub, around the tub is some kind of, you know, nasty orangey thing. I don't know what that is. So, you know, I hate to pick, and it is on the lake, you know, and I'm sure they get a lot of people, and I got a weirdo fly that won't leave me alone. Go away, fly. But, you know, it's just one of those things where you're kind of like, it would have been really nice except for that. I mean, it obviously looks like a nice fresh paint. You know, it's a nice hotel. Like I said, I can't really give it too bad of a review, except that little nitnoid thing. That's just my thing. And I don't think there was enough towels. But, you know, there was a lady who knocked on the door actually today and asked if I needed anything, which was nice. But, you know, they kind of stopped doing that with COVID, but they're coming back on, I guess, now. So anyway, that was a little critique on my hotel room in Houghton Lake. This is the beautiful lake, Houghton, or Houghton Lake, whichever way. Right next to the hotel. Isn't that cool? Man over there working on a dock. Water's a little cold. But how pretty.